Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. This quote is by Albert Freddy. I start with the idea that nothing is impossible and everything can be done in the end. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. The Dow finished up 110, NASDAQ up 56, S&P's up 17.5, gold contract up $2.60, trading at $1,222 an ounce. Silver up 7 cents at $16.84 an ounce. Platinum up $5 at $1,200 an ounce. Copper up 6 pennies at $2.60 a pound. Light sweet crude up $2.43, trading at $51.27 a barrel. Bonds, you had the 10-year up 2 ticks, 128.14. 30-year down 6 ticks at 146.23. King dollar down 835 ticks, trading out at 94.25. The euro up 71 at 114, and the yen up down 1.53 at 118.93. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. And the world of the SPY, folks, let's take a look at it. What do you have out here? If we take a look at this SPY, SPY closes at the high out here today. You're at 208.92. You did 91 million shares. You're over the swing points. Just about all the swing points. Yeah, you are. You're over all the swing points. So the bottom line is that SPY can get higher. It's going into the downdraft that had been created out there on December 18th. So your correlation volume-wise is pretty sick. It's 91 million going into 257 million. That's about as crazy as you get, but bottom line, you got a higher price point out here. We take a look at the future market. We take a look at those futures. Futures out here, folks, closed at we closed at 2083. Now, the high in the futures from the 29th of December is the 2088. We hit 2085.50. We're going to hit that baby tomorrow. It's going to basically go after that tomorrow. The NDX 100, we take a look at the 3 Qs inside the NDX 100. What you have with the NDX 100 is this. That closed at a price point of 106.01, up $1.23. That also is going after its high, and that high that's going after is the November 28th level. That's 106.24. We'll hit 106.04. Same deal, contraction of volume, but guess what? That's where it wants to go. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? What do you have inside the gold market, folks? You get a sideways move. It was actually really pushing into the lows more than the highs, and bottom line, you had light volume. What we have inside those equities, those gold equities, they start moving with volume topside out here today, and that's the big number. Why is that a big number? Well, let's go over to the King dollar. Now, King dollar, no doubt, goes south today, and as King dollar is going south today, you had an expansion of volume. What we've done out here, King dollar's at 94.22. We did 40,000 contracts. How King dollar tests the high volume swing low on February 3rd is going to say quite a bit. Why? Because what King dollar has done is this. King dollar has gone up since 2011. Nice move, huge move. It gets to a high, and the high got to a nice spike high at 95.85. Now, at those highs, you got to expect the volume's going to die at some point. Bottom line, volume died. Then what you had, however, is that you had come off the high with some volume. You had the expansion of volume on the 3rd. We went from 94, 92 down to this 93.38, and you had 58,000 contracts. It goes higher. Yesterday we had 24,000, the day before 22,000 and 22,000. What happens today? You start going down, volume's coming out of the contracts again. How we hit that's going to be crucial, because if you break that with volume, what you're going to have a follow-through, you're going to have volume off the high, inside the dollar index, and what that would set up is that the dollar will do a much larger correction than a normal correction. So what does that mean for the market? Well, thus far, dollar pulls down today, market could care less. Market goes higher. That correlation has been kind of in place pretty good in the last couple months because the dollar hasn't gone down hardly any days, but when it has gone down, market goes down. Will that correlation change again? You know, I think with the dollar going down, we're going to still see the market try to basically get to lower price. We'll see where that shakes out. The October 15th swing low is still all over the place, folks. Equities are still hitting them. No doubt, market's at highs, though. Bonds. We go take a look at the bond market. What we have with bonds is this. Bonds are really close to getting back inside its higher range again. And we'll see how this does shake out, but what we do have in the bond market, if we look at the 10-year rejected lower price today. 10-year got to a price point of 127.27, rejected that price, closed at 128.13, and the 128.23 will get it back inside its larger range. So we'll see what kind of work it's going to take to get back inside there, number one, and how we do get back inside there. We're going to take a look at some of the equities that are coming out with numbers after the close out here. If we take a look at AIG closed at $52. It's trading at 52 right now. The estimate, the earnings per share was $1.05, and they came in with 97 cents. Bottom line is that they're not taking the stock apart, though. AIG is trading right where it basically closed from. GPRN, I think this is Groupon, right? GRPN, rather. Groupon closed out here at 746. That's trading at 755, and their estimate was 3 cents. They made 2 cents. Bottom line, you'll see some fluctuations around this equity. This is an equity that has already got absolutely smoked, folks. You know, Groupon, the whole world, that's all the world was talking about a few years ago, and bottom line is that you talk about something that's getting taken apart. It went from $25, the IPO, straight down to $260, or at $746 right now. And, you know, we'll see where the rest of that shakes out. But just as coupons.com, that got basically taken out. CyberArk Software. This is one that's up pretty good right now. CYBR. Let's take a look at this. CY. Okay, so she's trading, she closed up $3.90 at $45.90, and now it's trading up another $7. Man, that's a rocket ship. Okay, so let's see what they have to say. So first off, this is what this is. This is, they provide information technology, security solutions. Yeah, it's a big number. Security solutions is a big number, no doubt about that. The estimate, look at this, and they blew it away. The estimate was 5 cents. They made 21 cents. That's the earnings per share. Their revenue, the estimate on revenue was $26.9 million. They took in $36.3 million. That, folks, is one big number. There's no two ways about that. Let's go to John in Winchester. Hey, John, what's going on?
Hey, John, I'm getting tired of calling you, and it's continuing snowing.
Is it really snowing again?
Yep.
Oh, my God.
Probably supposed to get another couple inches and maybe another foot on Saturday or Sunday if it doesn't go out to sea.
Now, let's hope it gets out to sea, man. Where you get? I mean, there's no place left to put the snow up there, right?
Nothing. It's horrible.
Yeah.
I drive a Ford SUV, and I can't even see. I'm 6'2", and I can't see over the snowbanks.
Wow. That's intense. No doubt. Well, you're going to stay safe. Here, just stay right there. We're going to quick break. We'll come right back with you, okay?
Thank you. Thanks.
This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow Industrials finished up $110. Nasdaq up 56. S&P's up 18.5. We're going to be right back, folks.